Hey, my Scatpack will never be the same. Gazer. Let's get it on and poppin'. You too. What's good with y'all boys, man? As y'all know, I done crashed the Scat. And I done got it back. Fuck you talking about? But hey, in today's video chat, right now I'm finna go pick up that washer because y'all seen the house tour. Hey, appreciate all the love for the house tour. That shit got like 4K views right now. But as y'all seen the house tour, my washer was fucked up. So right now, we're on the way to get a new fucking washer. Hold up. Yes, Lord. This shit finna be out of there. I'm finna go link up with my pops. We finna get a new washer and dryer ASAP. But boom, that's not what this video is about. In today's video, we finna be modding the fuck out the Scat. Y'all probably seen the thumbnail. Boom! Hold up, where the fuck is this? Yeah, in today's video, hold up, chat, because we bought hella equipment, bro. I got the Scatpack logo for under the doors. I got the motherfucking tripod. I told y'all I was getting one of them. The glow light joints, bro. SRT airbag. Red Kimi. Yes, Lord. What this is? Oh, this is a little screen chat. So whenever I'm doing my headband POVs, this is going to show like what my screen's showing. Boom. I got this little button that go over my push to start, but I don't think I'm going to put this on my car. The fuck is this? Oh, yeah, and this the headband for my cut-ups. So as y'all can see, chat, we've been getting hella investments. We got a little mic, too. Hella investments in the channel, bro. We finna buy a camera and some more shit later on, but stay tuned. Later in this video, we finna get all that shit installed, bro. Installed. Make sure I hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, bro, because I've been bullshitting on telling y'all to do that. And yeah, we finna get straight into the video. Hey, chat, I'm geeked up. Hold on. Hey, my dog finna ride with me to go get this U-Haul. But chat, I'm geeked up. It's been a minute since I done started the video off with a motherfucking. Hold on, we gonna open up the garage. We gonna open up the garage real quick. It's been a minute since I started off the video on one of these. Damn, shawty. Alright, chat. Me and my pop just got these washers in the dryer, bro. Shout out to my granny for getting me these washers in this dryer, bro. W granny, W pops, man. Now, in the next clip, we're probably gonna be putting this in the house or on the way back. Something of that nature, man. Y'all get the gist. Hey, chat, this video got all type of different cut-ups. I'm in that motherfucking Escalade now. Hold up. Hold on. Chill, Pops. Chill, Pops. But yeah, we following Pops back to the crib with the washer and the dryer. So yeah, we finna get that. Then we finna actually like mod the fuck out of my car. I know y'all like, damn, when the fuck you gonna mod the car? This clickbait ass nigga. Bro, just stay tuned, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta eat your food first before you get to the dessert. But hey, smash the fucking like button before I smack the shit out you. Folks in them grave. Hey, chat, we in Home Depot because, bro, my pops was teaching me how to install a washer and a dryer, and I fucked up the little dryer too, so now we gotta buy another one. But chat, the same washer I just got, I see it right here for $500. I got the washer and the dryer for $250. You're a dumbass if you bought that shit brand new. Back to my washer. Okay, chat, after like an hour fucking and a half, bro, getting shit done, bro, we finally got the fucking washer and the dryer. Yes, Lord. At the beginning of this video, I did get that fucking headband, bro. The headband for the POV cut up. So yeah, chat, we finna put that joint to action. Hold up. All right, boom. I got the headband. Is it gonna show how this shit look? I got the one on the side and I got the headband joint. And I bought the shower rod, chat. Yes, Lord. Shower rod. My shit finna be back up there. We back in the fucking game. And on top of that, chat, I think I'm gonna put the red key in today. Yeah, so in today's video, red key me, that, and I think I'm about to open up this tripod shit, because, fuck it, bro, I'm trying to be a real YouTuber, for real. But yeah, chat, if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bro, chat, yesterday a nigga told me, hey, I watch your videos, I know you're 5'6". Bitch, I don't look no fucking 5'6". Hold up. All right, child. Like, kind of look at how hot this shit is. Child, let me know. How tall do I look? Do I look fucking 5'6", bro? Let me know in the comments, because that shit is actually crazy work. Let's see, let's really scout the scene out on this POV joint. All right, come on, chat. We're really just walking around trying to see how durable it is if I could nod my head and some more shit. Should be smooth selling, though. You feel me? Just hands-free recording. I let this nigga Drew drive the car, boy. This nigga got this shit close as shit. Let me know, chat. How y'all feel about this so far? I think I got it. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I got this shit in 0.1, chat. I gotta, I'm finna try to zoom it out. All right, let me see. That should be much better for y'all. Cut these lights on. Let me see. All right, bet. Yup. So, boom. Two-hand cut up. Oh, shit. Two-hand. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. Two-hand. Oh, shit. Cut up. Oh, shit. Oh. Okay, yeah. Let me see how that looked on the camera. Fuck. The delay ain't that fucking slow. All right, chat. Yeah, next video I should be is fucking me cutting up, man. I got everything lined up, so yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all boys. It's time to cut up in the motherfucker. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe too, bro. Y'all don't be trying to hit that fucking like button. So make sure I hit that like button before I have to hop through this phone and smack the shit out you. Look at you getting smacked. Fucking W smack cam. Yes, Lord. Oh, shit, I'm geeking. All right, y'all, we on the OC unboxing streak. Just did that joint. So, we might as well unbox this joint too next. We're gonna unbox this joint. Next, we putting this fucking key fob in. Phono. Hey, child, I thought I was gonna have to put this whole together. I guess it come like this. Damn, shorty. All right, child, we done locked in with the, yeah. I somewhat know how to work it. Hold on, let me see. You know what I'm saying? Got the, yeah. Yeah, you feel me? Put this here. If I double tap it, it should reframe it back to me. Type shit, you feel me? Double click this, it should go straight up. And if I triple click this, it should start rotating. There we go. Y'all see how that joint like auto rotation? Yeah. All right, we getting the hang of how to use this tripod. So now I'm finna slap that black key in this red joint, and then we going on our cut up, bruh. Yes, Lord. Scatpack. Yes, Lord. Damn. Okay, chat. This clip, I feel like that nigga because I actually got my shit. I got my shit sitting up on this fucking stand. Let me try to pull it down some. Hold up, damn. Is this shit gonna work? Nigga. There we go. You know what I'm saying? I feel like. Hold on. Let me try something. Okay. But y'all feel like that nigga, chat. Because I got this fucking tripod to work. XYZ. But now, chat. Last thing before we get into the cut up. I need to activate that red key, bro. That red key brings like 10K fucking horsepower. Hold on, we're gonna bring this to the left, drop it down some. Timing. So yeah, chat, as y'all know right now, we got the 392 joint. We finna switch it from 392. We finna switch it from 392 Davy to Scatpack Davy. You know what I'm saying? Just in case I need a thumbnail off this joint. Alright, y'all, we back, bro. I got that motherfucking poker on me. Yes, Lord, this that shit you get poked up in England with. Hold on, let's try to get this joint open, man. Okay, chat, after 20 minutes of fucking raging, I'm just gonna put this shit back in a black key and pray that my key still fucking works. Hold up. Alright, chat, now yeah, let's just pray that my key fucking works. Cause I was just stabbing this bitch with a knife, the mainframe or whatever it's called, bro. So yeah, let's just hope that my key still works, buddy. Oh, it does.
I've never been the type to share my life.
Okay, chat. Alright, so chat, this video we was gonna switch to the red key, bro. Oh, on my soul, I would have threw this on the ground if this was not a tile floor, bro. Cause like, fuck. Chat. Y'all don't even know how long I've been trying to put that fucking red key in, bro. And then on top of that, bro, I don't know how to fucking work this, I don't know how to work this tripod, chat. So I'm really just raging. I was trying to pry this shit with this knife, bro. Toothpicks, scissors, all type of shit, chat. I'm in this bitch raging. So now, chat, I think I'm finna just smoke some Zion, hit the casino, cause yeah, that just blew the fuck out of me. This dumbass smart tripod, bro. Okay, chat, I bought this smart tripod that seems to be dumb as fuck and has like just a mind of its own, bro. So today we're not gonna use that shit till we learn how to fully use it. But it is the next day, so I'm finna go link up with my pops. Cause yesterday we supposed to get this shit done, but after moving that washer and all that shit, niggas was tired, bro. So finna go pull up on my pops, try to get this airbag, these lights, underglow, kill switch, and this red key in here. So make sure I hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, bro. Comment what my Joe want to see next. Yes, Lord. After today, chat, this is not gonna be the same Scatpack, boy. I tell you. All right, chat. My number one. We got the red key. Shout out to my pops. Now we finna get now we finna get the kill switch, SRT airbag, lights in the car, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's about it. Yes, Lord. Stay tuned, chat. All right, chat. We unplugging the battery so this airbag don't blow up in our face when we try to pop this shit off. Yes, Lord. Y'all know we finna get that SRT joint. Him? Yes, chat. In today's video, we will be showing y'all how to install this SRT air cover. I know y'all tired of having this bullshit. Yes, if y'all want this and so much other shit, bro, stay tuned. All right, chat. We just got the battery disconnected, so now my shit is fully fucking off. Let's try to yeah, I don't know if I already showed y'all, but yeah, the red key. Yes, Lord. All right, so this shit also this shit don't blow up in our fucking face. Now my pops is he going to get this little like flat wrench or some shit so we can poke these holes in. We gotta poke these holes in, pop this joint off, and then I get that SRT joint in there. Yes, Lord. All right, chat. After struggling for about 10 minutes, bro, my pops homie Walter came. Say today with the SRT airbag. Right now he helping us out with the kill switch. But after this, y'all, we finna get our underglow, bro. We finna get the Scatpack logo under the doors, and I'm finna get the glows inside the, yeah. Stay tuned for that, chat. We going step by step in this hoe for real. Right now, trying to pry this shit open, sticking these lights in between the door crack, bro. Trying to get my shit OC righteous. Yes, Lord. All right, chat. This process been coming along smooth as hell. Got them joints on the, yeah. Got them in the back. Now I'm finna lock in, do this side. Now, chat, both of these boxes just came with one long ass cord and two lights, bro. My fault on my hands actually, chat. I've been working all fucking day. But boom, it come with one long ass light and two one long ass cord and two lights, bro. So it's like this. So I think these last two, I'm gonna do this long ass strip. Then I'm gonna do the door, and I think I'm gonna just pass on the center console for now. Or I might say fuck the back and put it on the center console. We just gonna see. But that fucking fly is killing me. So yeah, we finna get right back to this shit. And y'all finna see the entire shaboing boing in 3, 2, 1. Oh shit! We done got the yas in here. Hold up. Nigga, is that sound sensitive? Or nigga, is that sound responsive? Hold up. Clap, 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 clap. Oh shit, nigga, these lights on, bitch. I only got the sides and the back on the on that set, and the other ones is just on the regular color. Y'all see we got the Scatpack in the door, and we got the SRT. Yeah! What's the word, family? My little nigga done cut these. Yes! But yeah, Chad, y'all can see, bro. We done lined up all the mods, bro. We got the SRT joint, lights in there, him, and the kill switch. I'm not about to push the McDonald's and probably fuck up that double chicken Big Mac. I'm gonna get up with y'all shortly, yes, Lord. If y'all new, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Him? Hey, there's no cap in my rap. Chicken Big Mac secured. That bitch look cold. It look cold, but that bitch really warm. No, that bitch feel cold too. Oh, hell no. Alright, y'all, I'm on the way leaving my pop's house, bro. Y'all know I just modded my shit. But I see this thing trying to cut up. So, nigga, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, nigga? I cut the camera on and get busy real quick. Nigga, what? This free content. What do you want to do, little nigga? You can't fuck with me. It's a little turn up here. You gonna slow the bit down a little bit. Slow the bit down coming up here, hell yeah. Come on now, nigga, let's hoop. What we doing? Hey, chat. This probably a whole brand new video. Probably first time cutting up with the mods in the car. So make sure y'all like, comment, and sub. That nigga all the way back there, nigga. Bring your ass up here, bro. Bring your happy ass up here. Thought you wanted to hoop. Like, chat, I cut the camera on because I'm just driving normal on the way home. This nigga started cutting up. He probably not cutting up because he straight turns right here. Coming up straight, it's finna be a straightaway. Let's see if this nigga trying to hoop. If not, I fuck around, just put the camera down. You know what I'm saying? Hoop a little later. But let me know, chat, y'all fucking with these likes? These bitches raw. I ain't even gonna fake it to you. Oh, yeah, that nigga does not want to hoop. That nigga's all the way back there. Bro, bring your pussy ass up here, bro. Pussy ass nigga. I know he gonna try to floor it, too. Hold up. I'm gonna get in this right lane. You go left and then catch me up top. You know what I'm saying? What are you trying to do, fuck nigga? Is that nigga coming up here? He coming up here slowly but surely. Chop, chop, little ass nigga. I don't got my headband on right now, chat. Right now, I just got the shit on in my hand. Cause I was finna like OC just. We just cutting up a little bit. I'm like, fuck it. I'm finna try to put my headband on real quick. Nothing, bro. Could not put my headband on while I'm cutting up. I'm like, fuck it. I'm just finna pull this camera out, hold the phone. Look at this chump trying to like, hey, bring your happy ass up here. Like, come on now, nigga. You were just on it. Now you don't want to. Like, the second the camera come out, nigga wanna. Second that camera come out, nigga wanna play. Come on now, pussy. Let's hoop. Ah, yeah, this shit just too open. And his shit just too slow. He know it. He know he can't fuck with me, so he just gave up. It's like when you trying to, like, fight a nigga, bruh, and that nigga uppercut you, that nigga drop you, you get up. Your girl looking at you like, beat his ass. Come on, fight back. Beat him up. You can do it. You get up, bruh, nigga, drop your ass again, bruh. Now you like, fuck that, bro. I'm finna spin the bins. Get that fire. You know it's bad when nigga beat your ass. All you hear is, stop it, you're hurting, Kim. Stop it, you're hurting. Like, I know that's all he hear when I gap his dumb ass. Like, come on now, bro. Stop trying to play with me. Stop bringing that little ass thing up here, bro. For real. I'm just trying to cool little POV on the way to the crib, you feel me? But nah, this nigga wanna play, bro. He the reason I put the camera out in the first place, but nigga. Now he wanna stay back there pushing 60. Nigga pussy as hell.